Once upon a time, somehow I'm a jelly, right in the bustling heart of Stormwind. And well, I'm feeling just a tad jelly of the folks strutting around in their shiny armor, on their epic mounts, flaunting glittering trinkets and weapons that practically glow in the dark. So if you spend your whole life waiting for the storm, you'll never enjoy the sunshine.
Woohoo!
Speaking of that,
Excellent.
let's discover what's inside Stormwind in Azeroth. So, yeah, I was a pretty high elf by my own standards. Until, well, jelly happened. Now, here I am, wobbling around Stormwind, where there's always more than meets the eye. And honestly, the people here, their behavior, their actions, it's a mystery even Elune herself couldn't untangle. So, as usual, I'm going to meet my favorite paladin trainer. Run, run, run. There is the usual cathedral square. And again, I stumble upon that nobleman, the questionable one, always lurking in the building. We crossed paths many times in my journey. He's the type who made me raise eyebrows, and conveniently has a floating question mark hovering over his head. And now,
Woohoo!
I've just discovered something unexpected. I can sense the undead lurking nearby.
Excellent.
On my way to see my favorite paladin trainer, Lord Grayson.
Need
I
help?
spot a fellow adventurer and offer her my amateur enchanting services, hoping to polish up my skills a bit. While we're busy working on her armor enchantments, out of nowhere, another player, a jelly, slides in. I've never seen anything like it before. Like something from a comic or one of those odd gray literature stories about someone reborn as a slime in another world. Intrigued, I examine this tiny creature closely. And to my surprise, she speaks. Naturally, I ask if there's a way to remove or dispel her curse. Just as I'm about to doze off, poof, she's back.
Glory to the Quel'Dorei!
After a quick exchange of chatters, we decide it's time to track down the notorious merchant who sold her that unstable concoction. The mysteries of Stormwind never cease. There we found him. The gnome merchant with an impressive beard, clinking coins in hand and trading mysterious potions that made me a bit uneasy.
Off and away!
One sip of the strange brew and
Sharalaran.
suddenly I'm a little jelly. And not just any jelly. I'm jelly of her. The beautiful high elf, as she flashes a cute smile, gives a warm hug, and waves goodbye. It's my mission to roam Stormwind, adding a dash of Halloween mischief to the city. Come join us on TurtleWoW in the ever-mysterious Azeroth. May the light guide you, and may your enemies be few.